Hello, my name is Asha and you're watching Asha Stitch and Style. I've been asked by many of my friends and by my subscribers to start videos in English as well. So this is my very first video in English. The biggest privilege that we have as Indian women is that we get to wear the 6 yards of elegance. I love saris and I make my own saris. I've been often asked by my friends, where do I get my saris from? So the secret is out. Today I'm going to tell you how to attach a very thin border to the sari. The sari which I am wearing is an organza floral printed sari. During one of my window shopping, I found this beautiful material and I instantly liked it and I picked it up. So since it has a lot of floral prints on it, I gave a very thin border to it. So I will tell you how I attached this border with this sari. To make the sari, I used 6 meters of material. I prefer to have my sari a little longer than the normal saris, as it gives more pleats to the sari and it looks more beautiful and more elegant. In the coming videos, I'll also tell you how to attach thick borders to the saris and also tell you how to design your own sari according to your body types. So stay tuned. If you're watching my video for the very first time, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you'll get the notification instantly. So let's go to the video. Thank you. To make the sari, I have taken 6 meters of floral printed organza material. Since it has a lot of flowers in it, so I decided to keep a very thin border to it. To make this border, I have used red color piping, along with it a very thin layer of sequence lace. So first we have to fix these 2 layers of laces together. You can attach any number of laces, but for that, first you need to fix all the laces together before fixing it to the sari. Since I have taken 6 meters of material, I am using 10 meters of lace. If you take the regular sari laces, that will be only 9 meters. To attach this with the sari, I have marked the sari from the portion after the pleats, the portion which goes towards the shoulders. I have marked it from there. So I'll show you how to attach this lace to the sari now. To attach this border, I've marked the sari immediately after the pleats. The portion goes towards the shoulders. I've marked it there, and I'm going to attach this lace to the trim of the sari. So to attach this border, you need to first fold the edges and then fix it nicely onto the sari. Just make sure that both the sides, the sari and the lace, is aligned together. Fix it properly and then start stitching. Since I am attaching this piping with the sari, I kept the sari little down from the piping so that the piping will be projected little outwards. If you're fixing a normal lace, you don't have to do this. You can fix it together. So let's fix the sari with the border, and once we come to the edge, you need to be very careful to give that pointy look. First you need to, once you reach the corner, you lift the foot and then turn the lace and fix it along with the edges of the sari. Just make sure that you turn it properly and then fix it again. Stitch it straight until you reach the next corner. This is the pallu corner. Now again we have reached the second corner. Again you have to do the same thing. Once you reach the corner, lift the foot, keep the needle inside and then turn the lace towards the other end. Hold the sari and the border together and stitch it properly. Just make sure that both the sari and the lace is aligned properly. Stitch till the end. Once you reach the edges of this lace, you need to fold the edges little bit and fix it properly. Fold the lace properly and fix it. Once you reach till the end, just keep the needle inside and lift the foot and turn it around and fix the lace properly and start stitching the other end. Now stitch it till the edges of the sari, till the pallu edges of the sari. Once you reach the edge, you need to be little careful while stitching the edges. You need to give that pointy shape to the edges. So for properly. Hope you enjoyed this video. Now our organza sari is ready. If you are watching my channel for the very first time, please like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you will get the notification instantly. If you have any queries regarding the making of the sari, please put it in the comment box. I'll try to clarify your doubts. Until we meet with another video, bye bye. Take care.